Hello! So you got a new Coreflux broker running through the hub. That means you're using the default username root and password Coreflux. It's very important that you change this password before going any further. Here's how you do that in the hub. In Hub Access, connect your machine. Now find this button for more options and click User Configuration. Then click on Users Access. Here you'll see all the users and you can change their passwords. The root user is the only one you cannot delete, and by default it's the only one with full authority within your Coreflux system. They can access everything. They can install assets, configure the broker, insert certificates, bind IPs, so make sure you choose a strong password. Next, let's add new users. Go back to this button, then Users Configuration, and add new user. Name it and choose a very strong password like this. Confirm the password, and if you turn on the option to allow access, this user can also access the configuration, meaning they can also control your broker. More advanced permission settings are coming to the hub soon. For now, you can explore more permissions in the mqtt Explorer. You can also add another user that is a simple machine or device. Let's name it accordingly and keep using passwords as strong as possible, like this. You can check everyone's access status by clicking the Options button, Users Configuration, and Users Access. Here you have your 3 users and you can quickly toggle their permission. That's it for user management on the hub. We are continuously updating the hub's features, so stay tuned for new functionalities. See you on the next tutorial.